Everybody's in the holiday spirit here today.
There you go. Oh no.
You in the holiday spirit still?
He's so PO'd.
He's so handsome! Huh?
If you guys send us costumes, we'll put more on them for you. Get cute ones.
He said, I am not liking this at all whatsoever. But I guess I gotta get in the holiday spirit today. Just make me put Christmas lights up.
That's right.
What do you think about it? Still.
Oh, your thingy.
It's falling on your eyes.
I know.
You're such a good boy. Stella actually likes her jacket.
He's not moving.
Hey, pretty girl. Keeps her warm. I think that's why she likes it. She always gets on the bed after I get off the bed because it's still warm. So, yeah, I'm talking to the camera. Stella. No, you want to know why he's being good? Because right now he's plotting how to kill us in our sleep.
Or what he can destroy.
Yeah.
They had a trash can.
They already tried to destroy it while they got in the trash, and they've been tearing down Christmas decorations. Haven't you?
Yeah. He's like, nope.
Oh, wasn't me.
It's coming down again, Stu man. That's what we thought.
Christmas time is the time for parking like an asshole. That is not a, well, I mean, it looks like somebody already got them once. Look at that.
I don't even.
You're probably wondering, why are you guys shopping again? Well, Mrs. here needs Christmas lights, which they probably have in here. I didn't even think about that. But we need rubber matting. We're gonna go to Walmart too, yeah. We need rubber matting for our gym, a little bit. We got foam for most of it, but I don't want her gym equipment on the foam. So we need it on the rubber. So the missus gets what the missus wants.
And we were told this place has them pretty cheap, so we're gonna check it out.
Let's go get ourselves some rubbers. I finally let Ashley work on a car. She fixed it.
What?
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's been something you would have did.
You duct tape it.
Yeah,
That's right.
it's fixed. All right, so here's what happened. We got, look, for the gym, right here, you got a big old Christmas tree, and then a bunch of other little things down there. And I had to do a shout out to Daddy Tech ENT. He bought me another camera. They updated these cameras, now they have voice recognition, and you went in the house. Okay, give me a second, I'll get back to you guys. But anyway, like I was saying, Daddy Tech ENT bought me the new version of this camera, which is awesome of him. Like, I don't ask for anything from anybody, but I don't know. I'm grateful. I never thought that YouTube would turn out like this. I just wanted to, honestly, when I started, I just wanted to show the work that I did to the vehicles, so when people ask me why it's an R title, I can show them what all was done, why it was an R title and everything. And I don't have to explain everything to them every time. They can see everything. This channel's turned into way more than what I planned, so, but I'm gonna keep going. But the new camera, he ordered me the new version of these action cameras I got, so that means all of my equipment will still work with them. And then on top of that, it has voice command, and it has a remote, so I should be able to start and stop video without clicking on the button all the time and getting that click in and out all the time, which is pretty neat. Plus, all my old cameras still work. They still operate. The screen is just shattered on the one, which, let me show it to you real quick, because I didn't have good lighting the last time, so let me show that to you. So I even got my phone light out so you can see. We shattered her pretty good. There's even like little shards of glass in there. The packing tape's holding it together. Oh, I don't have a battery in it right now. It still works. You can still see the screen. Everything works on it. It's just, you know, that's crappy. But anyway, we're gonna continue on. I know this is a car channel, but sometimes I don't always have car content for you. I do need to put the grill in the Trailblazer, which is gonna take me a second. Just pop it in there. I don't think you guys want to see that. I'll just do it, whatever. You guys probably don't want to see this either. But we're gonna string up Christmas lights because we're feeling in the season today, and Christmas is right around the corner. So let's just take this outside and we'll string up some lights.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. Jingle bell, bell, jingle bell, bell, bell,
Now don't mind, this is all recycling. We had a shitload of boxes that have to go out for recycling, so it looks like trash right here right now, but it goes this week, so we're good.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal, and a Happy New Year.
I hope that was fun for you guys to watch. It wasn't fun to do, I can tell you that. How do you feel about it, Stu? You entertained about the Christmas lights? Are you in the Christmas spirit? Do you want your flannel on?
These nuts.
That's a negative. But I'm going to keep recording as the week goes through because I know I'll have updates on the garage and stuff. So it'll just be a matter of seconds for you guys. But I just feel like that'll give you the best content because this video has been kind of poop so far. Garage updates will be pretty good though. Alright guys, it's getting pretty dark out. I just got home from work, and this is the second day that they worked on the garage. Yesterday was the first day of rifle season for deer hunting, so they weren't here yesterday. But so there was 3 of them here the first day they worked on it, and they got the bottom done. There was only 2 of them here today, and let me show you where we're at. The floor, the second floor is on. You got the window frame there, window frame there. There's the door in. There's going to be a set of steps. Go up to that door. That's the door to go in. I'd like to get up there. I want to see the view. But he's got the whole second floor done. And I don't think the rest of the garage is just, he's doing like a pole building. He's just doing this part of it with a structure because of the upstairs, and then he's doing the rest like a pole building. But yeah, it's up there. It's way up there. I'm gonna set up his ladder. I want to get up there and see my view. Oh my god guys, it is crazy up here. This is gonna be an awesome view from up here, like the whole town I can see from here. This is awesome. There's the ridge. And I think we're eventually going to put a door in here into the attic way because we're going to finish the upstairs of the house here sometime, just not right now. So the roof's going to go from there up, and it can't go higher than my roof, so it's going to go up to about the same height, drop down, and then go down over there. I'm still going to have high ceilings over there, but the roof doesn't need to be as tall as it is over here, so we're saving, you know, by dropping it down there, saving some lumber. This is awesome. And so another thing that I ordered came in the mail today. A self-darkening welding shield. I actually ordered this off of eBay for, I want to say it was like 23 bucks. It was very reasonable. It's auto darkening and all that jazz. So we'll see if it's a good one. It might be crap, but it's better than nothing that I have. So, you know, it's a good start. Guys, day 3, these guys, they knock shit out. It is cold out. It's freezing cold, and they were out here working. This is where my lift's gonna be. It's crazy. It's going up so fast. It's crazy. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, I can't wait. I could have put windows in there, but I opted not to because really, just looking at the ridge basically. I could always put windows in down the road, but don't really need them, to be honest with you. It's gonna be Ashley's gym. This is awesome. This is awesome. Awesome. All right guys, it is day 4. This is the last update I'm going to do in this video. As for tomorrow, I think the sheet metal will be here. He has one more wall to put up. Besides that, it is all framed up. And it's awesome. I had to film like as soon as I get home because if not, it's too dark to show you guys. So he's got the flashing up. He is putting a window. He's putting one window in down here, which is going to be good because if I do plan on painting anything, it's going to be from this pole over, and it'll be that section over there. So what I'll be able to do is hook up here and block this whole section off over here. We'll have a window for ventilation, and I can do some sort of filtration system through whatever I put up. Like if I use tarps, I'll cut holes and put filters in them or whatever, but we'll be able to do that over there. But that's also going to be a workspace for me. Also, there's going to be space in between where the lift sat and here for me. I'm probably put a workbench in here or something. I don't know. I haven't decided where I'm putting everything yet, but I'm not taking up any space with, like, for a furnace. I'm actually going to be putting it in the house and running ductwork out here, and that's how we're heating this, I believe. Although I do have a hit on a central air unit for free, but they're not as efficient to run as I wanted to originally put mini splits in here because they're pretty efficient. But I don't know what we're doing yet exactly. I just know my father-in-law is gonna, he's a contractor, and like once these guys get this up and get the sheet metal on, then we're taking over from there, drywalling up that whole room up there and wiring everything, and he's gonna help me wire it up. And in the meantime, I'm gonna look into furnaces and stuff. I have an extra flue in the house. I have an extra tank, so, like, you know, it's all there. I would just have to run ductwork over. We're insulating it with R21 insulation, which is not cheap, but need to do it. Let me go upstairs so you can get an idea how big the upstairs is going to be in here. Like I said, the staircase is going to be outside, so maybe he'll work on that tomorrow too. He's going to do that and then probably put the window frame in and stuff, and then finish this wall. So let me go upstairs. I do think this room up here is going to be awesome. I love the view. I do. But yeah, the platform is going to be right over top of my shed, but the steps are coming up here. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, I might even crawl up here on the roof and see what it looks like. He's got this platform here and then another set of steps. We can get a real good view up on the roof. I don't know, he might have already put sheet metal on top of this, because there's a piece down there that's the color I wanted, so he might have had sheet metal to do it. I don't know, let me see. Yeah guys, I'm going to close this one out on my garage roof. I hope you enjoyed all these updates like I did. It is going up much quicker than I ever expected, so I'm hyped, but I'm also, like, not ready. Like, there's so much stuff I have to do and get, and I just, like, it's so much all at once, but eventually it'll be done and I'll be happy. I do need to finish the Trailblazer this weekend. I need to get the exhaust on it. The door's still not painted. Jerry's backed up, so I don't have the door to put on it yet, but I need to get the exhaust on and service it so it's ready. So we'll work on the Trailblazer, and as soon as we get this done and suited the way I want on the inside, the Eclipse is coming in and the dirt bike is coming in. I'm pulling the motor on my dirt bike, and we're doing a rebuild on it. So stay tuned for all that. If you like this, go check out some other videos, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.